Welcome to this demonstration video for chain-collated decking clips, a product by Hulk Fasteners, which makes deck installation faster and more efficient than ever before. In this video, we'll show you how to install chain-collated decking clips with the use of the specialized hand tool, which is available separately from Hulk Fasteners. For optimum installation speed and efficiency, we recommend using the hand tool. To start installing the chain-collated decking clips using the hand tool, the first thing you need to do is set the height of the hand tool relative to the board groove by adding or removing the depth adjustment spacer plates to the base of the tool. Each box contains two pairs of height adjusters, labeled C7 and C9. Each adjuster is suited to a specific range of decking boards. The hand tool's default height configuration is set up to match the C6 boards. You can refer to the box insert or the download section on Eva-Last's website for the full height adjuster compatibility list. Here, we're working with the Eva-Last Infinity I-Series decking board, which requires the C9 adjuster. Now that we've selected the correct adjuster, it's time to insert it into the hand tool. You'll see that each adjuster comes with a male buckle clip for easy insertion into the tool. The height adjuster simply clicks into place. Because the hand tool can be used by both left and right-handed users, it requires both adjusters on either side to be clicked into place before moving on. Once the adjusters are secured, you simply insert the tool into the groove of the board to make sure the adjusters are set to the right height. Next, load the hand tool by sliding the chain-collated clip magazine into the tool via the guide. Be sure to slide it all the way to the end of the tool. Each magazine consists of 15 clips with preloaded screws for either wood or metal decking substructure applications. If a left-handed operator uses the hand tool, simply slide the collation on the opposite side of the hand tool and follow the rest of the steps. Now, set up the drill to 30% of its maximum allowable torque and insert the depth setting bit provided with the hand tool. The use of the collared bit provided is crucial for a successful clip installation. We're almost there. But before we're ready to fasten our first clip, we need to set the joist location pin to the correct position to ensure we hit the center of the joist every time. To do this, we simply have to loosen the pin by hand and place the tool over a joist to check the screw sits centered over it. When you're satisfied that the tool is centered over the joist, simply hand tighten the pin again. By presetting the position of the pin, you ensure a consistent center joist placement of the clip throughout the project. When dealing with immovable obstructions at the start and end of the decking run, consider slightly offsetting your first and last joists to accommodate the tool's head and tail. Be mindful of avoiding excessive overhang of the deck board end over the last joist. For detailed guidance on board overhang, please consult our decking installation guide. With the hand tool ready and loaded, place it over the joist so that the base rests on the top surface of the joist. Slide the tool back towards the joist until the pivot screw rests firmly against the outer joist face. Then, push the tool towards the board so that the tool guide slides into the board groove. Now that the hand tool is in place, with the joist location pin placed against the joist, you can begin to fasten the clips. Tighten the screw until the bit stops out against the tool, then rotate the hand tool away from the board to tear the remaining collation away from the installed clip. Your first clip is now neatly secured. We do recommend installing a single clip on the opposite side of the length to prevent any possible unclipping while you secure your board. From there, work your way back. Slide the magazine down to the end of the hand tool again, move to the next joist and repeat the previous steps, fastening the clip and tearing off the collation. Once a full row of clips has been fixed, the next board can be installed. To install the second board, simply line up the boards, placing the board on the joist, leveraging it under the spring of the first clip and clipping it into place. You may need a mallet to knock the board into place. You'll notice that the gaps are perfectly set and in alignment. Now, let's install the next row, using the joist location pin against the joist, following the same procedure, fastening the clips and tearing off the collation. In cases where you can't fit the hand tool in tight gaps, the opposing side of the tool can be used. Regardless of the board you select, chain-collated decking clips make for an effective hidden fastener solution that's as efficient as it is robust. Chain-collated decking clips come in two packaging variants: individual boxes containing 150 clips and screws, or a box sleeve which contains 6 boxes with a total of 900 clips. For more information, please visit www.Eva-Last.com or contact us directly for further assistance.